यं ब्रह्म वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतस्तुण्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः।
My dear sages, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, instructed Brahma in the Srimad Bhagavatam, and which contains the essence of all the Vedanta. Among all the Puranas, Srimad Bhagavatam is the best, and it is the most dear thing to the Vaishnavas. It reveals that spotless supreme knowledge accessible to the Paramahamsas, and it also reveals the process by which one can become free from reactions of material work, a process enriched with knowledge, renunciation and devotion. In the concluding cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam, among many subject matters, the most important instruction is about the deliverance of the fallen conditioned souls in the degraded age of Kali.
Dear Sutta Goswami, the people in this age of Kali are most unfortunate. It is said, the public, men in this iron age of quarrel, are almost always meager in the duration of life. Oh, the member of learned society, they are not only so, but also very lazy, misguided, unlucky, and above all, they are always disturbed. Now that Sri Krishna, the absolute truth, the master of all mystic powers, has departed for his own abode, please tell us by whom religious principles are presently protected.
इदं भागवतं नाम पुराणं ब्रह्म संहितम् उत्तमश्लोकचरितं चकार भगवान् ऋषि निःश्रेयस्य लोकस्य धन्यं स्वस्ति अयनं महत्.
The Srimad Bhagavatam is the literary incarnation of God, and it is compiled by Srila Vyasadeva, the incarnation of God. It is meant for the ultimate good of all people, and it is all successful, all blissful, and all perfect. In the revealed scriptures, the ultimate object of knowledge is Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. He is the supreme goal of life. The supreme personality of Godhead, Sri Hari, accepts in each of the different yugas various colors, names and forms, and is worshipped by various prescribed processes. In Satya Yuga, the Supreme Lord is white in complexion, has 4 arms, dresses as Brahmachari, is known in such names as Hamsa, and is served by the practice of meditational yoga.
Om Namo Narayanaaya. Om Namo Narayanaaya.
Dhyayato Vishnu. Whatever result was obtained in Satyayuga by meditating on Vishnu. Tretayam Yajato Makai. In Treta Yuga, by performing sacrifices, he is red in color and four-armed, is the personification of sacrifice, is characterized by the symbol of sacrificial spoon, ladle, etc., is called by such names as Yajna, and is worshipped by Vedic sacrifices.
Om Yopam Pushpam Veda Pushpavan Prajavan Vashuman Bhavate Chandrama Va Apam Pushpam Pushpavan Prajavan Vashuman Bhavati Yayevam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavati Agnirva Apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavati Rajabhirajaya Prasasya Sahine Namo Vayam Vai Shravanaya Kurmahe Same Kaman Kama Kamaya Mahyam Kameshwaro Vai Shravano Dadato Kuberaya Vai Shravanaya Maharajaya Namaha.
Dwapare Paricharyayam. In Dwapara Yuga, by serving the Lord's lotus feet. He is of dark blue complexion, wears a yellow garment, is marked by Srivatsa and other signs, has such names as Vasudeva, and is worshipped in his deity form by the regulations of the Vedas and Tantras.
अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं